Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix duplicate title tags in WIX. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be having some problems with your SEO and you notice that there are some duplicate tags that you're noticing here in WIX. So usually this happens whenever you have like two pages that has the same name. So the direct solution and answer to this problem is to basically just update the name of that page, but I'll be showing you alternatives that you could maybe try here. So first is we want to go to our left side here and you want to go to pages, and from here you can just basically double click on the name itself and you could go ahead and just update the name. Now in this case you could also go to the three dot option next to that page and you want to go to settings. Now, from here, you have the option to rename this page a name on your menu, change the permissions, SEO and SEO basics. But just in case, like for example, you can't actually change the name of that page, what do you need to do here? Well, in this case, you go to SEO basics here, and you could actually change the title tag here, which in this case will usually appear in the search results. But it is highly recommended that you change the name of the actual page so that it doesn't actually compete with your other pages, so that you'll have a unique page here. But then again, in some cases you don't want to change your name itself. You could go to title tag here, maybe update the name itself. So for example, I want to add a 1, I could just basically do that. And once I've done that, you can go and just click on anywhere here, and that will now be named as about as 1. Now, when you go to the other one here, click on the same thing here, go to settings, SEO basics. As you can see, it is now different from what we saw before. Now, let's go and go back here. Just to give you an idea, let's go to SEO basics. As you can see, it is now quite different, but then again, that's how you fix this issue. So in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.